course, they're not sleeping again. They were a little active earlier. They kind of helped me put the linens down. Really, guys? Your people want to see you moving around. I give up on you guys. Okay, excuse the mess. Haven't gone that far. This is what it looks like when puppies help you put linens down. And we've graduated to 2 water bowls because they're drinking like banshees. Good morning, guys. You gonna say hi? No, you're not talking to me, huh? There's Miss No Name drinking. Along with Bodie. And there's 2 food bowls. Where are they? The 1 bowl. Oh, somebody's using the toilet. I'm going to scan away from that. Hi, guys. And here's Grandma cleanup crew. She's picking up the pieces I didn't quite get swept up yet. And look who's climbing under the pile. Freya. Ash, you're going to have a handful with her. They're all calm right now because I just finished up. But, yeah, I can't get anything down neat and tidy because they like to run under the sheets as you're throwing them down. Oh, Yeti went over to the other bowl. He says, no, I'm going to rearrange sheets over here. If I know him, he loves playing with the sheets. Now, I do want to apologize. I got Molly and Lily's collars mixed up in my head. That's actually Molly at the white collar. Pink striped is Lily. I do apologize for that. Molly's mom caught it that I was screwing up. I went and checked my records like, oopsie. 2 puppy brain, 2 litter brain. He likes that watermelon. Valerie, your toys that you donated to the cause is working out great. Alrighty.